Do you want to prioritize your backlog with a new, easy to use framework? Or is someone telling you to implement all backlog items right now as everything is of high priority? Or you just want to learn a simple prioritization technique in less than 5 minutes? Then PKVit might just be the framework you are looking for. It's very easy to use as well as easy to understand. Let's say you are ready with your product backlog and you want to see which items are of high priority. Step 1. Categorize the backlog into painkillers and vitamins. Painkillers solve a business problem like reducing cost or saving time or any other issue which is causing pain to customers. And vitamins enhance existing product. For example, something which is built over and above existing product feature. Step 2. Break down painkillers and vitamins into various subcategories. In case of painkillers, you can consider following subcategories. Is this a new painkiller? That is this backlog item solving a totally new business problem? For example, integration with new payment gateway. Or is it a post-operative painkiller, which is tackling a pain induced during recently launched feature? For example, addressing transaction failures due to newly launched feature. Or is it a preventive painkiller, which will save future pain? Something like tech debts or upgrades or compliance items where the pain can be felt in future if we ignore these items right now? Or is it something which needs to be done on immediate basis, but it's neither induced due to recently launched feature nor it's a preventive painkiller? And in case of vitamins, you can consider following subcategories. Is it a vitamin which is something new, a totally new enhancement to existing feature? Then it's a new vitamin. For example, showing product images into carousel instead of gallery across the application. Or is it something you want to do to enhance recently launched feature? Then it can be considered as post-operative vitamin. For example, changing address format on newly launched page and adding landmark section there. Or is it a multivitamin supplement which you take regularly to strengthen yourselves? Something like continuous improvements to the system. Once you follow the above steps, you are done with your prioritization. Pick up multiple types of painkillers to be tackled first, or you can decide to prioritize vitamins for a short duration, or you can decide your own prioritization theme. It's such a simple framework that any stakeholder can understand the terminology and logic. You can start the fruitful conversations with statements like, is this a post operative painkiller? Or are we just prioritizing vitamins here? To understand details about these various categories, subcategories, or examples, you can check out the remaining videos from the playlist. So my request to all the product enthusiasts watching this video is to give me a feedback about the framework. Use it and let me know if you face any challenges. Part of the framework that worked for you, parts which did not work for you, or if there are any additional inputs or improvements that you want to recommend. So thank you for being patient and listening to my monotonous voice. I hope you will find PKVIT interesting enough to give it a try on your existing product backlog. Any practical insights, any real life examples will definitely help me to understand if the framework is of any use or it's of no use at all. Looking forward to listen from you, and thank you again.